Hello, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to use the data browser for moBack. Okay, so for now we have this to-do list app, and based on this app, we'll try to set up the tables and the columns which we'll use for our to-do list app. So let's go ahead and do it. We click on data browser here, and it should take us to our data browser. By default, we are presented with the users table, which 90% of the apps have users table for. So for our purposes, let's create a table. Let's name it to-do list. Okay. Now we can create the columns that we need for our to-do list. So for a typical to-do list, we need 3 columns. One's the name. So let's just choose string here, and we'll call it name. Okay. Let's try adding a row. We can hit the plus row here, and we can simply start typing. So for our to-do list, let's say buy groceries later. And there you go. On a typical row, we're presented with 3 default columns: object ID, updated that, and created that. And these are all just read-only columns. We can create one more column. Let's say we'll call this end date. And this will be our end date when we need to finish that task by. So if I need to finish this task by tomorrow, we'll just select the 23rd. And another column that we need for our typical to-do list is a boolean, which is done, and we'll know if that task is done or not. So we can put here true or false. Let's say I finished this task already. I can put true and save it. And you can add as many rows as you like. This is a very basic example of our data browser. As you can see on the column, we have support for more complex columns. And for the next video, we can show all those options.